of course, why would you want my number? Me not do business. So why would a man walk up to me and say, if him can't get my number?
No, why? You have to ask him why. You have to ask the man why. You can't just run with it and say, look him and look him.
It means a business place, so that's why I want my number. Why you don't want a woman? Why you don't see a woman in a party and put arguments to her until you reach this stuff?
No. If a man walk up to you and say, can I have your number? Because that you say, me say to you, you know.
I never tell you that. I never say that. You say other things.
Like what? The way you call for them. So what you call for? If you're not call for convince my wife. You have to go in the details. Go in the details.
But just I tell her, and if you deny everything now, so then that's a force not to send her the video. You see me? So now we're in sales boss, they say you not do nothing, you not do nothing, so you not have no perfect phone. But me know so when you see the video now, you have to say a Photoshop.
Everything blow up. From the moment you stop the video.
Right.
And she can't go in on a date. What she call her for? If you're going to call her that blow up somebody, you have to have more information. You know stop the video.
I know.
At first, me did believe, you know. It catch me at first. But when you see you stop the video, she not going on the details. And I said, call him. And she not ask certain questions. You not ask certain questions. You not try to get.
It's shocking news. I'm not going to stop the camera. Because remember, you don't know.
You got to try to pick up the voice, you know. You got to try to pick up the voice.
Yo! You got him at one point, I swear.
No.
You got him, but me I try all the time still, but it's like, you know, me I look like my last and rare and blah blah. Yo, man.
Because some question when me I expect to hear you ask. So it's a random person call and I say what am I say?
Yeah.
Me I expect to hear you ask certain questions.
Ask
like
you.
to get proof of more convinced. I mean you ask
it's like me don't know if you ask.
I mean if you tell you if you ask.
That's why I have to say you
don't know what to say. You don't know what to say, right?
The good thing about it, you know, you caught him, you know, at one point you really do, because my sister you get caught.
No, listen.
You get caught,
listen
don't lie.
Listen what I say. Listen, more than call it get caught.
Yeah.
You say for something.
So if a man walk up to you and ask for your number, you can consider that a looking look you.
Do I not get that? Me just try to prove you, like, for you come up with more things.
Me tell you now, me say, him not easy for prank, you know, brother. Him not easy for prank, but it's like, oh, in there you laugh, it's like, at one point you can see, say,
me I try to catch your voice. Me I try to catch your voice. That's one of the things, me I try to catch your voice. And then me ask you, where you live? Because the
era code not have nothing to do with it.
You know, I have nothing to do with it.
Era code not have nothing to do with it.
But she said a couple of things, you know, where me know say it don't add up. So it's either somebody just a fool around and
what
lie.
Is the couple things?
Alright, first thing she said, me know her, me and look her. When she said that, me know say nothing go so it's either somebody literally a lie from me.
Yeah.
Me not nobody out there.
Yeah.
So when she said that part there,
it kind of show you how you know say it's not real.
Look at you. So I said, when I say to you then,
I kind of understand what you are saying now, because to be honest, you know, so I have people will tell me point blank, so when them see you at a party, and this is no joke, when them see you at a party, you're the one side, and when your friend them enjoy themselves, you just have a drink and enjoy yourself. Me have people will tell me that.
I'm tell you that too.
You understand? So, but it can be different place. But to be honest, Max not really gone away. Apart from when we go out, like on a Friday night, Max either always there work, although man can left from work and go do what they do. But me know
the topic come up on
yeah,
party.
but me know which part. Me know when he left work, in time when he left work, and me know him. Me know him time where. Me know him time when him come home, me know him time when him leave work, and me know a time when him normally would have been. If him go, you know, work extra, him would have normally call me and tell me so.
Come here, try find out, and I try catch a voice.
You don't know the voice.
One time she want hang up, you know.
Yeah.
It's a up.
Huh?
It's a up.
Oh, so your voice change up.
No, you don't know.
Everybody call to mine now, but I don't fit in the here a code, but I show for a long time I have the number upon it.
Oh. It's a Florida number. It's a Florida number.
Florida call, so that's why I'm going to put a Florida
so
era code.
One of the time she want hang up. I mean I said then if it's a call like this, we tell her to get some drink for me. Why you want hang up? Make it stay and call me. I mean tell her to call me, you know. Bring me nice, you know. Come
but
there.
I'm sitting right there, so I listen to everything already. But he might make it look like he might go call.
So when you say me, I go call him.
He don't hear everything. He left on speaker and he might hear everything.
Come on, coming out because I hear she ask certain question, so me want to come ask them.
Yeah.
Because if somebody call me and tell me about my wife or whatever, trust me.
Yeah.
When me done question them,
me I go name.
Okay. In the beginning, me not lie. So when they just call, cause remember, you know, when they just call and I listen, you know. But me, it kind of get me them time then. Like it's like somebody call, but the things that I say I lie though, you know. But it get me in a sense like the person will call, I set me up then.
Yeah.
Like it's somebody has set me up. I try to, you know. So me I listen. You kind of get me in a desert, but me I listen. Me I wait for hear you come out with more things, like more information. I'm in a, you're done and answer certain question.
Because me I penetrate what she has said and me I process it because me never tell her what she say. Me just give her a little bit of ideas and me never really tell her what she say. So that's why me I penetrate and I listen what she has
said. You know. You can prank, man. You have to, because if you did ask certain question a while ago, you'd get me more. You'd get me.
Yeah.
Like
get you.
Yeah. But at the same time, me know me not guilty, so me not worry about nothing. But me more believe say it's a random person. But me know ask certain question and me have to say, ask her this, ask her that. I mean whisper and tell her to ask her certain things, you know. But you're going still, you're going. Me not even finish my breakfast.
I never meant to. I am very sorry.
Oh God, you're not even finished. Appetite drop.
No, this interesting, you know, it's an interesting call. So.
Because why you want to say somebody has set you up, or you want to say somebody if I like.
We know say I know somebody, alright, that two women look on it. Is that the person just a call for set me up to tell lie? Or a prank?
Them just want to mash up your marriage.
Yeah, or a prank. Because you run on my mind already for say if a prank. Because I look on Dana, I look on her and I listen to you, I look on her. I look on you through the camera. I mean, I hear you ask certain questions.
Because I leave you to ask. Me want you to clarify what you do out there.
Me not going to just compare. Even if you out there do something.
Remember, if it was real, you know, I feel like this, you know, when a woman that hears certain things, you know, I think for ask the question, I want thing that your mind is. You just imagine you're with somebody else. So you know, that not people, certain things now come to your mind for ask no question.
Trust me, Dana got ask.
You're quick to believe what you hear.
Dana got ask question. She would have asked question. She would have asked. I mean, no one like that, so she would have asked question because the stronger side are now believe. Would not believe. Not saying it's something couldn't go say, you know.
Yeah, a strong part of me because to be honest, you know, give me no reason for actually yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, now wait on the video, yeah?
She gone.
Gracey, you know.
She good, you know. Yeah. Gracey not no patient, me go call she, you know.
But how long this man?
Ewa. Let me talk to Gracey and tell her, so this girl called me.
I tell her things.
Yes.
Make it sound like her.
Yeah. You don't say nothing. Grace. Jesus, you're not on no manners. Gracie.
What?
You know, say, somebody called me a while ago and tell me, say, Max a cheat.
Okay.
Somebody called me out. Somebody called me a while ago and tell me, say, Max a cheat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All the person know that.
So they see my party.
What? When they?
Him upstairs.
No.
No.
No, make it.
Why?
No, don't say no yet. You
Why?
can't just hear Dana, relax. Somebody where you that just like me,
I don't know the person.
you don't know the person?
No.
No, but you cannot say that. You don't know the person. How them get your number, Dana?
Me no know.
Dana, don't believe that. No, that's the first thing. Listen to me. You don't know the person. How the person get your number?
Me no know.
If the person can't is him and the person that cheat,
No.
that is the only way you could have believed it. Because the person that get your number out of the phone. Understand me?
Right.
Don't say anything. You're going to watch and you're going to look. Don't jump the guns yet, because if you don't know the person, how the freak the person get your number?
But Gracie, you think so me can't live with
Listen,
that?
people eat on people that are on life are going good. Wait and watch and look and see. Take my full advice. You don't know the person, the person don't know. All the freak that person is going to come and tell you about your husband.
But that not gonna make me feel comfortable.
Listen to me, you have to. You have to be your own freaking detective. You're not stupid. You're going to watch and you're going to look and you're going to see and you have something change, Dana. We are women, we're not stupid. Alright? Don't say no. Hold your asses.
Really?
If it was a person like me, yes, Dana. If it was a person like me, Sharon, I wanna see something. I will say it to you. The person don't know you don't know what the freak the person get your number. You try to ask them who them is, them have a picture, then send your picture, say more than call it, then send your proof or something.
She said she gonna send me one video.
Okay, when she send you the video, wait on the video. Alright? But
Yeah.
no jump, no guns.
Gracie, you
Yes.
you defend Max 24/7.
I don't defend anybody.
Gracie, you defend Max 20.
You're not my friend. You're not my friend. You're not my friend. I'm not going to judge no guns.
You tell her the right thing, Gracie.
Not a good girl.
You tell her the right
I'm
thing.
trying to come over there, come beat.
You tell her the right thing, Gracie.
No, but when you have a run, come to your come stay.
Yeah.
Gracie,
She not approve.
oh my God, loyalty. Your loyalty, man. Your loyalty.
I feel like the beat you.
Somebody call for truth.
Real loyalty.
Somebody call for truth, Gracie. Somebody just call.
Somebody called for truth, but I mean set up the call and prank Max.
Oh my God.
Yes, this is the one you're epic. You can that video you're epic. Epic. Me I tell you, it's 2 in 1. Epicness.
I feel like the beat up Dana.
Yes, you have to start think out of the box now and make the game get stormy.
Oh my
When
God.
you come over here again, man.
Yo, guys.
If me the pick up their plan from like in the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them forget your mark. Yeah,
With
them
the
forget
front
you.
go back on you.
No, sorry for you, them forget you.
Yeah, we're gonna cut down that part there. Next time, Next time, trust me. I have to go edit this on the computer because it got big.
Don't say you come call me and I put me in a mix up. I want to beat you up.
Ay, Lord of God have mercy, I can't bother.
Yeah, tell me about say me a defend Max. I can't defend Max. Me a defend on the life.
Yeah, you're a real friend. Loyalty, you're a real friend, you know. Because enough people would have said, you know, the emote they are do it, or if them not know, them try to convince me and say wherever, you know. And tell me foolishness, I make me head start hurt me. Stress me out. Yeah.
But that set me up so low.
Well, you have to expect the unexpected sometime, you know. But you see, when you have real people, I say you do them, you know. When you have real people and you know, say you have real people around you, as much as all your mouth want to wash out with J's. It want bleach. Because you know,
they know say Macadam on track line no we know it, but people see me and they know him alive,
Well, Gracie, me know, sir. You advise. Me know exactly what you have to say.
No, me can't tell her say, oh, run, go on, whatever. No, when the life is going good, people jealous. People out there will be haters. So me can't, how the person get your number? You don't know, no, you can't.
yeah.
You can't.
That was so fun. So much fun.
You have to stop answer certain thing when you say to me, because no me see you in this prank with me, and you know my mouth not nice, you know. Oh.
Gracie, are you come up with the first prank for Max, you know, you.
Me know.
They do the prank. Bite your congy.
No,
Good. I'm going to edit my video right now. I need Chevron.
Alright, go on and make me see it. Yeah, watch it.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, cool.
Guys, we got you. Bless up on yourself. We got ya.
What's your name?
Chevron.